Hello there. So how to use a developer badge or developer section in Microsoft Excel. Make sure you have it right there because it's not really enabled by default. To enable it, click on File, go to Options, looking for the one that says Add-ins or Customize Ribbon. In here, clicking on the main tabs, making sure you're going to be right there. In here, looking for developer options, make sure that's checked. Once everything is settled, click the developer icon. Now, this is basically everything that you want to access in Excel in terms of codes, in terms of numbers, in terms of processes and automations. That's going to be the work process for this one. How about a sample for this, okay? I'm going to type in here groceries, like so. In here, I'm going to add an apple. And then for the next one, I'm going to add a banana. These are just samples, okay? Now, since this is going to be groceries, I want them to be as a checkbox. So for the apple, I want to check it back right there. Same goes for the banana and orange. To add the text back right here, of course, we're going to need it under developer's badge right there. Clicking insert, you're going to see a lot of things here. Starting from the checkbox, you also have in here spin button, the radio button right there, and so on and so forth. I'm going to add a checkbox right here, like so, and just place it over there. Same goes for the second one. You can just copy this one, click on paste. As you can see right there, you can enable them moving forward. Of course, if you want to edit that one, just double click on it and delete the name itself. So it will just only show as a banana. Alright? So if I can just double click here, and then it's just saying banana. There's still going to be a lot of things here, especially for the advanced tutorials. You're going to have macros and visual basics for that one. So macros are just going to be the commands with one click of button. Excel will give your formula to you. But first, you have to set it.